Okay guys, today I will be opening the MacBook Pro that I just got. Okay. The model is the 13-inch MacBook Pro with the Apple M1 chip. So that is pretty cool. Okay, let's open this thing. Okay, let's lift it up. All right. There it is, and I believe I got it in a silver color, so that is awesome. Okay, I'm going to take this out. Okay, so there's the laptop. Comes with a USB-C charger, and I believe it comes with a USB-C adapter, which it does. Now, these are very nice because if it zooms in, it will tell me that it is a 67-watt battery. Very cool. So you get that. That's pretty awesome. So there's the adapter. I like taking care of my boxes. I don't know, maybe it's just me. No, I feel like everyone does that too. Then we got the USB-C right here. And yeah, this is what it looks like without the top cover. Okay. Okay, I'm going to flip it. Very cool. That is very cool. Okay. It is booting up. I only got this because it was on a Labor Day sale at Best Buy. Very good price. I cannot really compete with it. It is exactly like my old one, actually. Just with an M1 chip, which is really cool. Keyboard actually I think is the same, which is kind of not cool, but that's okay. Touch bar, basics. So it is a 2021 model, I believe. So that's one thing. English. Okay. I like the presentation so far. It's very cool. Not too much different than mine. Not too much different than my original. So let's find United States. Okay. All right. Well, I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to watch me do the setup. So that's it for today. Very interesting unveiling of the MacBook Pro. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and there won't be too much technology unboxings. They're just not. I don't know. I'm not very big into technology, but overall very cool. And thank you guys for watching. More content, not technology, will be on the way. Thank you so much. You guys have a great rest of your day.